Stay tuned for my Zeelool try-on haul. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am trying on some new frames that were sent to me from Zeelool. Stay tuned. These frames are absolutely gorgeous. Can't wait to show you what I got.
Okay, first up we have Grover. If you like vintage style, then these tortoise glasses are your best choice. They have a simple and classic shape, and they have gold rivets on the top of the arms, forming a retro look. Absolutely love this pair. These are prescription glasses, and they are absolutely gorgeous. Love the look of these glasses. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Next up, we have Cascada. These are a stylish pair of cat-eye glasses suitable for all-day comfort. They are both stylish and elegant. Absolutely love the two-tone color. These glasses are also so bomb. These are also a prescription pair. Loving these as well. Let me know in the comment section what you think about Cascada. Next up we have Olivia, which is in the pink and green floral print. These are also cat-eye glasses. They have the gold ornaments on the corners of the frames and also the tips of the temple arms, which makes these look so charming. I am loving these frames as well. I really love the black at the top with the floral print at the bottom. So let me know what you think about Olivia in the comment section below. Next up we have Juliette in the crystal color. These glasses have a shining gold temples. They are designed with adjustable spring hinges as well as a comfortable bridge. These vintage inspired frames reduce the burden on your nose and create a comfortable wearing experience. Juliette is also a stylish pair that I am loving. I'm absolutely loving all of these glasses, but let me know what you think about Juliette in the comment section below. Next up we have Zion in the black crystal color. These are full frame square shaped glasses. Absolutely love the full frames. Love these glasses. Very stylish, and I love the two-tone color. What do you think about Zion? Let me know in the comment section below. Last but not least, we have Charlene in the tortoise color. These are also cat-eye shaped glasses. They also have the full rim. Absolutely love this pair. This one might be one of my favorite pairs, although I am loving all of these glasses from Zeelool. Let me know what you think about Charlene in the comment section below. Each pair of the glasses comes with this drawstring carrying case to keep your glasses safe when you are not wearing them. And they also each come with a microfiber cloth to keep your glasses clean.
Hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. Hopefully you saw some frames that you're going to pick up. Don't forget to use my discount code MissTeach1225. I will leave the information in the description box for all of the glasses and also my discount code. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.